I just wanted to get on and talk about my new docking drawer setup really quick. So we installed this outlet. It has an attachable, retractable arm that I can show you, and it automatically turns off if the inside temperature reaches a certain amount, which I love. But I wanted to highlight how fast this charges. So I got the 15 amp 65 watt USB-C. So I'm on my phone right now and my husband has his phone, but we can charge both of our phones super fast with this. I want to say that the old phone chargers were like 5 watts or something like that. So having this 65 watt USB-C is a complete game changer. I mean, I can charge all of my devices. I have my Apple Watch, my AirPods, my computer, my baby monitor, which my son is taking a nap right now. That's a portable charger. And then I kind of just added in this little area for a drop zone for my keys, wallet, things like that. I added this felt liner to the inside of our drawer just so I can kind of slide my devices with ease without worrying about them scratching or anything like that. There's 4 outlets and 4 USB-Cs. So this is like the perfect addition for a drop zone and use out of a drawer, because this was just so cluttered when it was on our counters. So I really am enjoying this new setup.